I thought this said ginger, but it actually says garlic. So, hi fam, welcome to my channel. I'm Zarel Star, and today's video, we're gonna be doing some Starbucks drink dupes. Starbucks around this time comes out with their holiday menu, and I don't really indulge as much as I do when it is pumpkin spice season. I love anything that tastes like a pumpkin in my mouth. But this video is going to be making the dupes for the gingerbread syrup, the peppermint mocha, and the sugar cookie. Let's get into the video. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So, see you soon! Say hi, Mystic. He is going to help me with my drinks today. So we're gonna be a little baristas together. I already asked my best friend, ChatGPT, to help me with a Starbucks drink dupes recipe. I'm gonna make 3 syrups, and the first one's gonna be gingerbread. The second one's gonna be sugar cookie, and the last one's gonna be peppermint mocha. I am very excited. I don't know how much I would like some of these. I think I'll definitely love the sugar cookie one. Honestly, I really like almond, and that's what it calls for. And then the gingerbread is like a big maybe. I don't think I'm gonna like the peppermint mocha just because, like, yeah, I don't know. We're going to see. But I have my little cutesy little cups, and I'm going to make some tries. I'm so excited. First, we're going to start with making all 3 of the syrups, and then we'll come back and assemble the tries. So let's get started. I have my 3 pans that I'll be using. Oh my god, what? How am I meant to? Okay, never mind. Freak out, not needed. This is my little holiday outfit. My red brandy sweats that have like a little waist stripe, and then this top that I got from Urban probably like 4 years ago, when this style was like super popular. But that's my fit check. Whole bunch of bangles. I'm not wearing my rings, but yeah. I'm going to grab all of my other ingredients, which are a lot, let's just say that. I have to get sugar, water, molasses, ground ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cocoa powder, and chocolate chips. So I have a lot of things to grab, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Here are all of the ingredients, a little instructions and ingredients that ChatGPT very kindly made for me. Hopefully they taste good. Hopefully they taste like the Starbucks drinks. So ChatGPT, if you let me down, I'm gonna be upset. All of these recipes start with the water and the sugar simmering for a little bit until it's fully dissolved. So I'm gonna start with that. I have my little water jug, and I'm gonna put that all in. Then I'm gonna add sugar to my sugar cookie and my peppermint mocha one because they both call for white sugar. And then for my gingerbread one, it calls for brown sugar and no white sugar, so. Then for the peppermint mocha one, I am going to add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'm also gonna add my molasses and my spices into the gingerbread one. I thought this said ginger, but it actually says garlic. So Well, that's unfortunate. Okay, well, I have to start again because obviously garlic and ginger are completely different. Oh, that's so annoying, bro. It's okay, it's okay. Christmas is not ruined. It is annoying though, but it's not ruined, so. Okay, and just like that, we're back. We are starting fresh on this guy, starting off with a half cup of water, half cup of brown sugar, molasses, ginger, not garlic, and then we're gonna jump back. Okay, I've had to turn on my light because it's literally 3:03 and it's getting dark out. Like, how is that allowed? I love summer because late nights, and during the winter, I'm just like, are you joking? It's literally like 4 o'clock and it's pitch dark. Like, it literally feels like 12 p.m. No, 12 a.m. Anyways, don't even get me started because I will go on a rampage about that. I'm gonna get, I'm going to let my syrups cool for a little bit and then I'll come back and make the cold foam. But in the meantime, I'm going to clean up all of my stuff and yeah, I'll see you when I'm ready to make the cold foam. Okay, I'm not gonna be doing the whistle note for you, but I am gonna be making my cold foams now. Sorry, I have to stop laughing. I'm not that funny, but I think I am. Okay, so I'm just gonna add like, kind of trying to make it even, but I'm probably not going to. But guys, I'm so good at this. I should honestly be a barista. I think I would actually be the best barista in the whole entire world. Anyways, I am going to add my little syrups into my cold foam. I'm so excited. I'm nervous too. I really hope I like them. Okay, who is ready for a taste test? We are going to start off with the one that I'm the most scared of, and the one that I think I might not like. So, which is peppermint mocha. They are like the same shade. It doesn't even look like I have cold foam on there, but I do. And the sediment at the bottom is just a chai. It smells really good, but I might not like the tastes together. I think they would, like, the peppermint mocha might be really good. Like, kind of made into like a hot chocolate, if that makes any sense. Or it might just be really weird. But yeah, that's what I'm feeling, like a hot chocolate. But let's try this. Wait. I don't know if I even have words. That's good. That's really good. Peppermint mocha. Honestly, like, I feel like giving it a 10 out of 10 isn't what it deserves, but I think like an 8.5. An 8.5 is really high. It's not my favorite. If I had to talk about cold foam flavors, pumpkin, that's my go-to. That shit, it just makes me like foam at the mouth just talking about it. But this is definitely an 8.5 out of 10. Now we're gonna do the gingerbread one. I'm actually really excited about this because I love ginger. Let's try this. Sniff test. Smells good. It honestly kind of smells like my pumpkin one, which is kind of like worrying to me because I really want to have it be different. Okay, yeah, it's good. I wouldn't say it's anything special. Just to be honest, it's nothing special. Maybe, yeah, I don't really have much to say about it. Like, the ginger flavor is there, though it doesn't give me like gingerbread flavor. Kind of disappointing in my opinion, but still good. And I'm going to drink it, but I I was hoping for something a little bit stronger that was like, that is what gingerbread tastes like. It did not deliver that, so I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I hate to say it, good flavor, bright idea, but not a good follow through. So maybe ChatGPT failed me, but hopefully not. I am praying these recipes taste good. The one that I think is going to be my favorite, and that is the sugar cookie one at Starbucks. I think they put like, what's it called, sprinkles on top. But I already know that this one's going to be sweeter, and I think it would be too sweet for me if I put more sugar on it. So I'm excited about this one. Let's just say that. I'm like worried that I have stuff on my face. Nope. Still slaying. Okay. No, I do like it. It's like, it's just super sweet. And I think for somebody who really likes sweetness, that is a good one, but it's like too sweet for my chai. And it doesn't really taste like a sugar cookie per se. It doesn't give me sugar cookie energy. So, but I do think it's going to be rated higher than the gingerbread one, which I'm going to rate this one an 8. And I'm actually going to go back and change this one to a 9 because I'm actually like obsessed. I didn't think I would be. Like, I thought this was going to be number 1, the sugar cookie one, but no. This one is definitely number 1. It's good. It's really, really good. Okay, final rating would be the peppermint mocha one, top of the list. Then my gingerbread one is bottom of the list. And the one that surprised me the most was this one because I didn't think it would taste like that. Like, I tasted the syrup alone and it tasted really good. And the cold foam just doesn't taste like sugar cookie, in my opinion. I already know that I'm gonna have stomach problems because I'm lactose intolerant, and there is a great helping of not only heavy whipping cream but also milk in this. So yeah, pray for me. But I really like all of these. I don't know if I would make the sugar cookie one again for my chai specifically. But the mocha one, I'm gonna be thinking about the peppermint one. When I'm editing, I'm like, man, I wish I had a peppermint iced chai latte. Peppermint mocha, sorry. Peppermint mocha iced chai latte while doing this, because I'll probably be doing this later tonight at 11 p.m. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys have a very merry holiday season. I love the holidays. Makes me feel so festive. And this video definitely helped bring some festivities into my December. I hope you guys get some inspiration and also try out some of these yourself. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved making it, and I will see you guys all very soon. Comment down below if you tried any of these. I would love to know what your rating is going to be. And subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys very soon. So, bye fam!